Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about content pages and links. In this video, we will see what are the different kind of content pages and the links and how to manage the content pages with the links. First of all, let us go under the admin. If we go inside the content management, contents, here you can see two kind of content pages we are having. One is dynamic pages, one is fixed pages. Fixed pages are already fixed and their location on the front store is fixed, and dynamic pages are the pages which you can create and you can link it to the any other links. So if we talk about fixed pages, if we go on website front store, so here you can see there is a content page. We are printing product supermarket, and this is, we term it as a header content, and it will be always below the banner. So this is a fixed content page. Let's say if I show you in admin, if I search it here, header content. So you can see this is the header content and you don't need to do it link. It's already linked. So there is header content and it's a fixed content. So you can just update the content inside it, and it's a complete text editor. So you can add images, or if you want to add any table, or if you want to add map or whatever heading. So this is a complete text editor. Also, we are giving source code with you, so you can manage it through source code as well. So this kind of content pages we term as a fixed content pages, and we are having multiple kind of fixed pages over here. Let's say, for example, I show you. So these all are fixed header and their locations are fixed. Then dynamic pages. So if you click on dynamic pages, are some pages which you can create from scratch. You just need to click on add button. So here you will see, let's say you can just put it here, about us, the URL of the content page. Then the page heading is as about us. Let's say the content page name is about us. Then the content which you can add it over here. Then there are full layout, like how you want it, none, full HTML with header and footer or without header and footer. Then sidebar display, do you want to show sidebar on this page or not? Then the page title will be about us. And these are the meta keywords and meta description for the SEO purpose. And once you created this content page, so it doesn't have any particular location, so you need to link it. So if it should be, there should be a clickable link. If the customer will click on that link, then this page will be open. So for that, if you click on save and continue, you will see, so you can put it position, let's say header, then link it as about us, then it's only text, and this is linked with the content page of about us. So how many content pages you have, you will see all those content pages over here, and you can link it over here. And these content pages are only and only dynamic content pages. You cannot find here any of the fixed content pages. So you can just click on about us and you can just display, and you can open link in same window and new window and the sorting order and just save it. So if you go on the front end, and here is about us. So here is a link. If we click on this link, then the dynamic content page will open, which we have created. So in that way, you can create as many content pages as per your requirement. There is no restrictions. So this is all about content page, fixed content page, dynamic content page, and how to link it with the where you want to show it in header links or footer links. If you have any concern regarding this video, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.